Welcome to this Agile Auditor Explainer. Today, we're tearing into vendor risk rating and criticality. Let's get started.
Picture this. A company wastes 3 weeks rigorously vetting a harmless toilet paper vendor.
But to save time, they rush and sign a new cloud software provider in one single day.
A month later, bam, the software is hacked and all customer data is gone. Why did this happen?
Because they treated every vendor exactly the same. Vendor risk rating categorizes suppliers by the damage they could cause.
Criticality measures how absolutely essential they are to keeping your daily operations running smoothly. You can't interrogate everyone. You've got to tier your vendors into high, medium, and low-risk buckets.
Think about your own home. You aren't running a police check on the morning newspaper guy, right?
But you'd absolutely demand a deep, thorough background check for a live-in nanny.
Exactly. The level of screening has to match the level of access and the potential for total disaster. Let's look at a corporate example. Say XYZ Limited is onboarding 2 brand new vendors.
Vendor A supplies cardboard boxes. Super low risk. A basic tax and ID check is totally fine here.
But vendor B provides payroll software. High risk. You need intense cybersecurity audits before signing anything.
If they fail, 5,000 employees strike. You're looking at massive lawsuits and absolute operational collapse.
Now for a huge confusion buster. Rookie auditors constantly confuse high spend with high risk.
10 crore for raw steel is a massive spend, sure, but it's a commodity, extremely low risk.
Conversely, just 1 lakh for an IT consultant with admin access, that is an astronomical risk.
Bottom line, risk equals business impact plus system access. It has nothing to do with invoice size.
So, what's the ultimate auditor's red flag? A lazy, one-size-fits-all vendor onboarding checklist.
We always hunt for harmless landscapers being forced to fill out 40-page data privacy forms, while a critical offshore data vendor somehow slips right through with just a basic pan check.
If every vendor goes through the exact same 3 steps, your company is completely blind to actual risk.
The big takeaway? Not all suppliers are equal. Apply heavy security checks only where they actually matter. Never forget this golden rule. High spend absolutely does not equal high risk.
So, look closely. Is your one-size-fits-all checklist hiding a massive disaster waiting to strike? Stay vigilant.